Today let's talk about Suno 5.5 versus Ace Studio 2.0. This is a test with my same upload, my same prompt, same lyrics, and equivalent settings. Here is the chorus from the song that I generated in Suno, and then I'm going to play you the chorus from the song I generated in Ace, and see if you guys can leave a comment and tell me what's going on.
How did you get here? And how do you leave? And how did you get here? And what do you need?
And this is the track that I got from Ace.
How did you get here? And how do you leave? And how did you get here? And what do you need?
Okay, so there you have it. Do you think that they sound the same? I do. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I've written to both companies. I've heard back from one. So as soon as both companies have answered me, I'll share the information with you. There's over 50 videos on this channel. I hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you in the next one.